Okay, good morning, children. I hope you are safe at your home. Your parents are also safe. I hope if we fight together, we will overcome COVID 19 very soon. So, in last session, we discussed how to arrange conductors to increase its capacity. Okay, and this deliberate arrangement of conductors we call capacitors. Today in this session we will discuss at least 3 points you will be able to do. Number one, you will know different types of capacitors on the basis of plate arrangement, and number two, you will understand the electric field, that is the nature of electric field around the plates and inside the capacitor, and you will be able to calculate the electric, that is capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. The parallel plate capacitor is our point of interest. We will discuss this in detail. Along with this, you will see how these plates are arranged to control the capacitance or to design capacitor of different value. Okay, let me say first how plates are arranged to design a capacitor. You see, these are the two plates arranged parallel to each other. Okay, and here you see two cylinders are there. They are arranged to form a capacitor. Here two spheres are there. One sphere is positively charged, another sphere is negatively charged. Here one cylinder is positively charged, another cylinder is negatively charged. Here one plate is positively charged, another plate is negatively charged. Like this we will have three types of capacitors, and we call this one, the first one, as they are parallel to each other, simple parallel plates or two plates are kept. These are called parallel plate capacitor. This is one what we call cylindrical capacitor. This is another what we call spherical capacitors. Okay. Now let me show you how parallel plate capacitor is formed or designed. You see, this is one plate, this is another plate. How to keep them? We have to keep these plates close to each other like this, but without contact. Okay. In between, what is there? Air. We can keep there a insulator also. If we keep, this is one insulator, I am keeping this plate like this, keeping the insulator sandwiched. Okay, this is what the arrangement of a parallel plate capacitor. Now how to vary the capacitance? Very simple. We can manage the area. We can increase or decrease the area of the plate. That will vary the capacitor. And if we increase the distance or decrease the distance, now we are keeping 2, so the distance between the plates become double. Now the capacitor will change, capacitance of the capacitor will change. Similarly, if you want to make the separation between the plates very small, you can use such a very thin taper, thin one, and we place the plate like this. Okay, now the separation between the plates is very small. Now still you can increase the capacitance. Okay, this is what about parallel plate capacitor. Two plates are there. We will erect these two plates parallel to each other. One will be given positive charge, another will be given negative charge. In between, the medium will be either vacuum or any dielectric or insulator. Okay, this is what the arrangement of parallel plate capacitor. Now let me show you some colorful things. I hope you know these. Yes, you have seen these things, right? What are these? You see two terminals are there. This is just like a cylinder. The two terminals here. This is just like a cylinder. There are two terminals also, and like this, and two terminal device. Okay, all these are capacitors. should I read what is the capacitance? Yes, it is written much 470 microfarad. Here it is written 470 microfarad. Can you see? Okay. Now see, this is what 470 I told, and this capacitance it is written 10 microfarad, only 10 microfarad. Like this there are different designs. This is what a parallel plate capacitor. Okay, yeah, you might have seen this type of things in television and other electronic circuits. These are what cylindrical capacitor. And can you guess how in a cylindrical capacitor how these plates are arranged? Yes, I have a bigger one. This is also cylindrical capacitor. You know where from I collected this? I collected this from a fan mechanic. Yes, I asked for a old capacitor, and let me show how plates are arranged. I hope you have seen at your home also fans needs this type of capacitor. This is one cylinder, this is another cylinder. One is kept, and the space, you see, there will be enough gap. The space is filled in with different materials like dielectric, and sometimes we use electrolyte, which when we use electrolyte, these are called electrolytic capacitor, and commonly we use a dielectric. Okay, hope you could understand how the capacitors are designed, how their shape and size are made very compatible to our different devices. These are different types of capacitors. Now we will discuss in detail about parallel plate capacitors.